rates, but it is back to pre-recession levels. This is good for everybody that works in consumer electronics or retail. And in fascinating government news, there was a Cyber Monday surprise for 82 websites. They were seized by Immigrations and Customs Enforcement over at the Department of Homeland Security, who believe all 82 sites traffic in black market, counterfeit, or copyright infringing goods, including, it turns out, torrent link sites.
Yes, the highly sought after glues. Yes, visitors to the site got an eyeful of wallpaper that read, "This domain name has been seized by ICE, Homeland Security Investigations, pursuant to a seizure warrant issued by, etc., etc., and lots of info on the punishment for willful copyright infringement.
Yeah.
Civil forfeiture laws, no trial, no notice, don't piss on the fence." Or piss them off. Don't pee on their heads. They don't like that. They hate that, actually. You want to get in trouble with the feds? Pee on them.
You thought the TSA was trouble before you peed on a TSA officer.
I mean, I understand how to mark your territory and all, but try not to, don't pee on their heads.
Is the Xbox getting its own cable network? Microsoft apparently is holding talks with TV networks and is working towards bringing a subscription-based TV to the Xbox 360, according to Reuters. The service apparently could range anywhere from the sales of individual channels alongside ESPN, which is available on Xbox Live, to bundles of channels or a full range of channels in a virtual cable operator mode.
That sounds like a little a la carte TV to me.
A la carte TV sounds good. Just don't expect it to show up much before this time next year.